Okay, so this next shuffle dance move is the Charleston. So as the name implies, it's a really old dance move and it looks like this. But we can build on it for shuffle dance and make it look much better and up to date for the music. So I was thinking about giving this dance move another name because the Charleston sounds really old, but really when we look all the way back, people have been doing this dance move for a long time. I gotta stick true to its origins, and the good news is that it's timeless. So we're gonna start with the basics of the dance move, but like I said, we'll bring it up to date for shuffle dance. Okay, so let's start with the most basic move of the Charleston. Looks like this. So before you do this lesson, I want you guys to be sure that you got your heel toe down. If not, make sure you revisit the heel toe lesson. So the basic motion we're going to be doing is we're just going to keep twisting like this. So toes pointing in, heels going out like that. So we're just pivoting on our toes like this. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to bring one leg up kind of sideways like this. How high you bring it up kind of depends on how good your knees are and your flexibility. So as we twist one in, we're going to bring one foot out like that. And it's actually easier to do it fast because slow you feel like you're trying to force your muscle to move up. You do it fast and you have that momentum to bring it higher. So again, we're going to twist our heel in, bring one foot up, kind of bending in at our knees in this funny looking motion. So try it with me. We're going to start off by going like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So you can see that as I'm doing it slowly, I'm kind of leaning side to side to gain balance. But I think as you do it faster, then your balance will kind of stay to the center, kind of like when you ride a bicycle. So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. So once you have that down, a little variation we can do is the switch up pattern. So it's single, single, double up, single, single, double up. Try it with me. We're going to do the switch up pattern now. 5, 6, 7, 8. Single, single, double up. Single, single, double up. Single, single, double up. Single, single, double up. Good. Let's do it one more time. Switch up pattern. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Single, single, double up. Single, single, double up. Single, single, double up. Single, single, double up. Hey, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and to subscribe. For the full program, visit pickupdance.com, where I got practices, transitions, and combos that I'll be dropping on an ongoing basis, as well as plenty of other lessons.